So welcome to another studio vlog. This is the second week in June in the studio, and I'm starting off by working on this bag that was a custom order. It's one of my Rococo star bags, so it's covered in bows and ruffles. So I had most of the bag made, I just needed to add the strap, and this is how it looked finished. I might make more of these to go online. This was a custom order. Someone liked the look of the maxi one, but they wanted it in like the more small classic size, so I made that. Yeah, let me know if you would like one of these. I might put them up as a made to order online. And I also made a matching charm for this bag, which I think is so cute. So that's how that looks all together. So I'm now just going to get this order packed and ready to send. I think I've probably talked about before, but I make all of the gift bags that I send my orders into, and these again are all upcycled fabrics, but I think it's like a nice little extra touch to add a gift bag that can be used either to store the item or even just for like packing stuff away. And then I had one of the ice cream star bags to pack up too, so I just got that packed into a gift bag and ready to go too. So then later on in the week, I started working on some new dresses for Diva. They're kind of running low on my summer collection, so I decided to make a few new dresses to drop in. So this is the first one. It's got these like exaggerated bow tie straps and a tie at the back as well. And this is how it looked before I added the bottom layers, so it looks more like a top right now, which is actually quite cute. So I might think about making some top versions as well. But yeah, this is how it's looking now, and then I'm going to add in some more layers so that it is more of a dress length. So here's some of the layers that I've already cut out and patchworked together. So this is going to be the second layer. So I've picked fabrics that I've already used in the collection that I've given to Diva. Here's my like really fast drawing of the dress that I was trying to make. And then I needed to add an extra little bit of fabric to the back where the bow tie is, so I'm just going to make that alteration now. And then I added my bottom tier. This time I didn't gather it, so it's like just another layer but the same length as the top layer. And as always, I like to finish everything with a top stitch. I like how that looks, so I'm just going to add a top stitch on top of the gather. And then to finish up the dress, I added this like trim to the end rather than just putting like a normal hem on the dress. I like adding like the little trim. I think it's a nice detail, and also it adds a little bit more structure to the end of the dress. It kind of holds the kind of flow in place. And this trim, I got it on eBay and it's originally from the 1980s. So yeah, I think it's a really lovely touch to finish off the dress. the dress looks like on. I've just kind of adjusted it on my back. I like how the shoulder ties look. I think they're super cute. I made them really long so they're nice and exaggerated. So that's going to be it for this week. It was just a short vlog this week because I was heading away during that week, so it wasn't a full week in the studio. I will be back next week with another full vlog. If you're interested in seeing more of my studio vlogs or content all about kind of slow and sustainable fashion, it would be great if you could subscribe. I do weekly videos here. So thanks so much for watching. Have a good week and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.